Welcome to my honest review of Mondaq, a comprehensive platform that provides legal, tax, and business insights. Whether you're a legal professional, business owner, or simply curious about these topics, this platform offers a wealth of information. The first thing you'll notice upon visiting Mondaq is its clean, professional design. The homepage is user-friendly, making it easy to find recent articles, trending topics, or specific legal areas you're interested in. At the top of the page, the navigation menu provides clear categories such as articles, contributors, and countries. One of the standout features of Mondaq is its extensive database of articles written by experts in various fields. You can easily search for articles by using the search bar, or filter them by region, industry, or topic. This customization allows users to narrow down content relevant to their specific needs. For instance, if you're interested in corporate law within the US, you can apply filters to view only those articles. The website also provides a contributor section, which highlights law firms and professionals who regularly submit articles. This feature allows users to explore trusted contributors, further validating the credibility of the content. Another useful section is the Countries tab, which offers legal and business insights tailored to different regions. Whether you're looking for updates on European GDPR laws or tax regulations in Asia, this section has you covered. Mondaq offers a free subscription service, giving users regular updates via email on selected topics. This is especially beneficial for professionals who want to stay informed without constantly checking the site. However, to access certain premium features, users need to create an account. Registering is straightforward, requiring only basic details like name, email, and profession. Once logged in, you gain access to saved searches, personalized recommendations, and more. The platform also includes a useful Ask Mondaq feature, where users can pose questions directly to the community of legal experts. This adds a collaborative element to the experience, making it more interactive. Additionally, Mondaq's integration with social media platforms allows users to share articles or insights directly with their network. While the platform excels in its content quality and usability, there are a few drawbacks. For instance, some users may find the premium feature slightly costly, especially for smaller firms or independent professionals. Additionally, the amount of content available might feel overwhelming at first, but the filtering tools help manage this effectively. Overall, Mondaq is an excellent resource for legal and business professionals looking to stay updated on key issues. It combines expert insights, regional focus, and a user-friendly design to deliver valuable information. If you're in the legal or business field, this site could quickly become an indispensable tool. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more reviews and insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.